Welcome to our guide on finding the best rice cooker for brown rice. We'll reveal top picks that make perfect, fluffy brown rice every time. Check the description box for product links and more details. Stick around for a special tip that will change your cooking game. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the AROMA Housewares Professional Digital Rice Cooker. The AROMA Housewares Professional Digital Rice Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle much more than just rice. With its large 5-quart capacity, one-pot meal capabilities, and programmable delay timer, this rice cooker is a game-changer for busy home cooks. Large capacity. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its generous 5-quart capacity. This large pot can hold up to 20 cups of cooked rice, making it perfect for feeding families or hosting gatherings. The included removable steam tray also allows you to cook rice and steam vegetables or proteins all in one pot. One-pot meals. The AROMA Rice Cooker's Sauté Then Simmer (STS) technology is a real time saver. You can use the high heat setting to sear, soften, and sauté ingredients right in the pot. Then, simply close the lid and let the cooker automatically switch to the simmer setting to finish the dish. This allows you to create complete one-pot meals with minimal effort. Programmable convenience. Another fantastic feature is the 15-hour delay timer. This lets you prep your ingredients up to 15 hours in advance and have the rice cooker automatically start and cook your meal, so it's ready when you need it. The cooker can then switch to the warm setting and hold your food for up to 10 hours. Why it's great. For busy home cooks who want the convenience of one-pot meals and the flexibility of programmable cooking, the AROMA Housewares Professional Digital Rice Cooker is an excellent choice. Its large capacity, versatile functions, and time-saving features make it a kitchen essential. At number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Digital Rice Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Digital Rice Cooker is a highly versatile kitchen appliance that goes far beyond just cooking rice. With its user-friendly digital controls and pre-programmed settings, it takes the guesswork out of preparing a variety of grains, cereals, and more. Convenient rice cooking. At the core of this cooker is its ability to make perfect rice every time. The 2-in-1 rinser/steamer basket makes it easy to thoroughly rinse rice before cooking to prevent clumping. And the specialized white rice and whole grain settings ensure optimal texture and doneness. Versatile cooking capabilities. The Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker is much more than just a rice maker. It can also handle hot cereals, steamed vegetables, and even small batches of soups or stews. The digital controls offer pre-programmed settings for each type of dish, taking the hassle out of cooking times and temperatures. Thoughtful design. In addition to its versatility, the Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker is packed with convenient features. The nonstick inner pot is simple to clean, and the tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your food as it cooks. Plus, the automatic keep warm setting ensures your dish stays at the perfect serving temperature. Why it's great. For home cooks and meal preppers alike, the Hamilton Beach Digital Rice Cooker is a true kitchen essential. Its combination of precision cooking, versatility, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable appliance. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or planning out weekly meals, this rice cooker will become a staple in your culinary arsenal. At number 3 at our list is the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. For home cooks and chefs who demand perfection, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is a true standout. This advanced appliance utilizes cutting-edge Neuro Fuzzy technology to ensure flawlessly cooked rice, grains, and more every single time. Intelligent Neuro Fuzzy technology. At the heart of the Zojirushi rice cooker is its innovative Neuro Fuzzy logic system. This smart technology allows the cooker to think for itself, constantly monitoring and adjusting the temperature and cooking time to achieve optimal results. Whether you're preparing classic white rice, hearty brown rice, or delicate sushi rice, the Neuro Fuzzy system takes the guesswork out of cooking. Versatile cooking capabilities. The Zojirushi rice cooker offers much more than just rice. This appliance features specialized functions for cooking porridge, sweet rice, and even quick cooking options. And with a capacity of up to 20 cups of cooked rice, it's easy to prepare enough for the whole family. Thoughtful design. Zojirushi has clearly put a great deal of thought into the design of this rice cooker. The spherical inner cooking pan provides even heat distribution, while the detachable, washable inner lid makes cleanup a breeze. Convenient features like the retractable power cord, keep warm function, and delay timer add an extra layer of user-friendliness. Why it's great. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is a true standout. Its advanced technology, versatile cooking capabilities, and thoughtful design make it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a simple weeknight meal or hosting a dinner party, this rice cooker will deliver perfect results time and time again. At number 2 is the Cuckoo CRP P1009 SB Rice Cooker. For home cooks who demand the very best, the Cuckoo CRP P1009 SB Rice Cooker is a true standout. This advanced pressure cooker not only delivers perfectly cooked rice every time, but also offers a wide range of versatile cooking functions to elevate your meals. Versatile cooking options. One of the standout features of the Cuckoo rice cooker is its impressive 12 menu options. Whether you're in the mood for fluffy white rice, hearty brown rice, or even savory porridge, this cooker has you covered. The specialized settings ensure optimal results for each dish, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Large capacity. Despite its compact footprint, the Cuckoo rice cooker offers a generous 10-cup capacity. This makes it easy to prepare enough rice for larger families or meal prepping. The durable, stainless steel inner pot is scratch-proof and provides even heat distribution for perfect results. Smart cooking technology. At the heart of the Cuckoo rice cooker is its advanced smart cooking algorithm. This intelligent system automatically adjusts the temperature and pressure to ensure your rice comes out perfectly cooked every single time. Simply add your ingredients, select the desired setting, and let the cooker do the rest. Why it's great. For home cooks who demand the very best, the Cuckoo CRP P1009 SB Rice Cooker is a true game changer. Its unparalleled versatility, smart cooking technology, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a simple weeknight meal or hosting a dinner party, this rice cooker will deliver perfect results time and time again. At number 1 is the Zojirushi NS TSC10 Mikum Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NS TSC10 Mikum Rice Cooker is the gold standard for home and professional chefs alike. With its advanced fuzzy logic technology, versatile settings, and user-friendly design, this rice cooker delivers consistently perfect results every time. Capacity and settings. The NS TSC10 comes in 5.5 cup and 10 cup capacity options, accommodating the needs of any household. Its comprehensive settings include white/sushi, mixed, porridge, sweet, brown, cake, steam, and quick cooking, ensuring optimal texture and flavor for all rice varieties. Fuzzy logic technology. At the heart of the NS TSC10's performance is its fuzzy logic microcomputer. This innovative system constantly monitors and adjusts the cooking time and temperature, adapting to the unique conditions of each batch of rice. The result is perfectly cooked, fluffy rice with every use. Convenience and cleanup. In addition to its cooking prowess, the NS TSC10 is designed for user convenience. The keep warm function maintains rice quality for hours, while the non-stick inner pan and easy-to-clean design simplify the cleanup process. Why it's great. The Zojirushi NS TSC10 is renowned for its consistent, perfectly cooked rice, thanks to its advanced fuzzy logic technology. Its versatile settings, including one for brown rice, ensure optimal texture and flavor. The keep warm function and easy-to-clean design add to the overall user experience, making this rice cooker a true kitchen essential. Our recommendation: the Zojirushi NSTSC10 rice cooker as our best value option and the Zojirushi Neuro fuzzy rice cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. Selecting the best rice cooker for brown rice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Key factors include consistent cooking performance, user-friendly controls, and ease of cleaning. Make sure to prioritize features that align with your cooking habits for optimal results.